Hey guys, so I just got home from Nordstrom shopping the anniversary sale, and I thought that I would try to get this video up and filmed and everything as quick as I could because granted the sale does go on for pretty long. A lot of stuff sells out quickly. So I'm going to show you what I got as well as mention a couple other things that I found on the website or I saw other people had that I thought were really cute. So from today, which is the 12th, through the 19th, it is card holders only, so you have to have a Nordstrom credit card. And then from the 19th till I believe the 27th, I could be wrong, I will add it in here, is for the public. And then you can shop online or you can shop in store. And yeah, the nice thing about this sale is that it's not just leftover summer stuff that's on sale. It's actually their new fall collection that's on sale. So the prices, it's not original price, sale price, it's sale price and then after sale price. So sale price $30, after sale price $50. So the items actually go back to normal price after the sale, if that makes any sense. So it's not just leftover stuff, it's really cute new fall stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I wasn't even meaning to buy this at all. I got a wallet. I was waiting for my mom to park and I just walked past the little wallet section. Let me get this out of the way. Wonderful. And I got this little Tory Burch wallet, and let me pull all these little weird little paper things out. So I got a wallet very similar to this one, but at the end of last semester, so around in May, I accidentally threw my wallet away. So that was pretty cool, but so it was a small kind of wallet like this, and I have another wallet that's just a standard big wallet, but I wanted another one that was smaller, more compact, that I could, put in smaller crossbodies, and I just saw this one. It's really cute. So it's Tory Burch, and it has the card slots here, and what's really nice is it has money slots, which my other one didn't, and then it has just a little coin slot here. So the anniversary, it's $91.90, and then regularly it's $138. So about $50 off or so, give or take. I'm not that great at mental math. But yeah, I think this is really cute and a pretty good deal. So then for all the other things that I did plan on getting, I got this sweater from BP, and it just looks like this. So it's kind of a mauve-y color with a little bit of a swoop neck, and this was $25.50, regularly $49 or $39. So not that great of a deal. Well, yeah, I guess it's $15. It's super soft, and I got a medium. I don't know if I just said that or not, but I did, because I know myself, and in the wintertime I wear leggings all the time and in fall. So I wanted one that was a little bit longer so that it would cover everything, because I do not like wearing leggings and not being fully covered. I just, not me. So then next I got, and I actually didn't try this stuff on, so I will, you'll see me in this stuff, so I guess we'll see if it looks good or not. I got this bodysuit by ASTR. I don't know if that's ASTR or ASTR, but yeah. And it was $35.90, regularly $55. So it just looks like this. It's kind of a silvery, crisscrossy material. I thought this would be good for going out when I go back to school. And it looks, ooh, it looks like the body strap part is a thong. And then I got these leggings, which I'm really excited about. They are from BP as well, and they're originally $39, and I got them for $25.50, and they're just these Moto leggings. They had them in this green color, and then they also had them in a grayish color, but I thought this would be perfect for fall, or even end of summer, with a white t-shirt with a little knot and just some Converse or something. I thought that would be Really cute. Hopefully they fit. And lastly, this was another thing I was not planning on getting, but I got it while I was there. These are Article of Society jeans, and they are originally 68 and I got them for 44, and I got a size 25, and the other stuff I got smalls. And I found this brand at Nordstrom Rack, and ever since then I've been like looking for it everywhere because their jeans like fit me really well, and they are like insanely soft. Yeah, it says super soft on the tag, and like they're just really comfortable, and I hate wearing jeans typically. As you can tell, I wear leggings, but these are not. They're like really comfortable. So they just have a little bit of distressing on the knee and then a little bit at the hem. There was another pair that was just straight black and another pair that was like a darker wash, but they didn't have my size. So I just got these, and it says that they're high rise, so we'll see about that because I don't typically love high rise, but yeah. But then for the stuff that I saw online that I think is really cute that you guys should definitely go check out. Okay, so sorry, I got closer and sitting more comfortably. So for the stuff that I would recommend looking at is definitely the Zella leggings. I normally get a pair like every year, but I have like an entire drawer full of leggings, so I need to stop myself even though I did buy a pair. But their leggings are really great quality. I like them better than Lululemon. They're cheaper than Lululemon. Yeah. So they have like a pair of their high-waisted long leggings that are $35.90. Like, that's a really good deal. And they have like all sorts of different sizes and styles and everything like that. And then going along with leggings, they have the Spanx leggings that are on sale, the faux leather leggings. Now, I cannot recommend these enough. I love them so much, and I think it's a really great time to get them because they're on sale. They're normally $98, and I believe they're on sale for $64. So it's a great deal. I got them for my birthday last year, and I wear them all the time. You can really dress them up or dress them down. Trust me, they're great. And because they're Spanx, they like suck you in very well without being like too tight. So then next is like kind of comfy stuff. So this thread-in supply will be fleece pullover. I know that these were really popular last fall, and I imagine they will be this fall. I know that like a lot of people in sororities and in college and stuff like that wear them. So if you wanted to get one of those, now would be a great time because they're $51 versus $78. Also on that is a Barefoot Dreams cardigan. I want this so bad. It's $88, originally $134, and I was just thinking, I was like, I don't have the money for that, but I was like, I just spent like $90 on a wallet. Maybe I could get this instead, but I'm like, a wallet versus a cardigan, like a wallet I'll use every single day, cardigan every once in a while. But if you have the money to splurge, I would definitely recommend that. They are insanely comfortable. And then also is this Nordstrom PJ set. I thought I would just throw it in there because it's super comfy and also a pretty good deal, $35 versus $55. And then the Nordstrom sale is also really great for stocking up on denim. So if you have any type of denim that you love, like Paige or AG or you know whatever, now is a great time because like these Paige ones that I'm looking at are normally $189 and they're $109. So I will link some other stuff below. Like there's some really cute color blocking sweaters that I may have to order online. And shoes, I haven't even looked at the shoes, and like I don't need shoes at all, but you never know. There might be some that really speak to you. So that is everything that I got at the Nordstrom sale so far this year. Maybe there'll be another one of these videos in a week or so. Hopefully not, but maybe hopefully yes. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and subscribe. I would love for you guys to stay around and maybe see if another Nordstrom video comes up. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.